Hey everyone, just wanted to tap in with you to your intuition and help you really feel what it feels like to make a very powerful, intuitive decision. So, moment to moment, we're always making decisions, right? Like every second. And so, to be tuned into our intuition first is going to help us. And I'm going to teach you how to do that today. And then to be able to trust whatever that decision is. Even in the moment, if it doesn't really make sense, I can promise you that your intuition is like your best friend. It is your inner compass guiding you to the absolute best outcome for you and everybody else. So let's go ahead and close our eyes. It's absolutely best if you can be in a place where you can ground your body, having both feet on the ground. And you're going to bring your awareness. So go ahead and think about whatever the question might be or the thought. And you're going to start to bring it into your heart. So you're going to feel it. So what happens is when we bring the vibration of any thought or decision into our hearts, we meet it with love. We meet it with unconditional love. And that is the foundation of the intuitive success coaching process and also moment to moment of following your intuition, right? It's going to be grounded in love. So let's just take a few deep breaths here, feeling our intuition and allowing our hearts to meet with that decision. And just feel it almost like giving it a hug. So wrapping a warm hug around that decision and just surrounding it with pure unconditional love, maybe even seeing golden white light around it. Softening the energy, releasing any fear around it, knowing that you already know the truth and the wisdom is within you. You can trust yourself. Good. And then whenever you're ready, we're going to start to bring your awareness now a couple inches below your belly button. So from your heart, you can just imagine like a spiral of energy going straight down to your core, that same golden white light energy. And as it clicks in right below your belly button at your core, you can feel the place of certainty. You can feel the place of truth. So, taking a few moments to breathe into that, what truth and what certainty feels like. And if you need a trigger, a way to remember that, you can say, my name is. So, my name is Abby. I can feel truth. I could say, my name is Bob. And my gut's like, no, not right. Okay. So, that's direct feedback of how you can feel what's true and what your yes is and what your no is. So, go ahead and just test that out for yourself right now, saying your name out loud and then saying somebody else's name as an example for you to feel what your intuitive yes is and what your no is. So then you can go ahead and bring that question, that decision to mind, and let's start with a yes or no answer to the question. So go ahead and bring it again, and then wait for your yes or no. If you have clairaudience opened yet, which everybody can have this, you can see maybe a red light or a green light right at your third eye. And then keeping it very simple, just get that yes, what your yes or no feels like, that decision. Good. Once you have that, you might want to open your clairaudience, which is the clear hearing, to see if there's any other stream of thoughts that come through that is your intuition saying, hey, da 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 da. You can write it down or just take note, mental note. Okay. And trust what comes. When you're asking to tune in to your best friend, they answer the door, right? When you're asking to tune into your intuition, it answers you. Okay. So just do that. Say, hey, intuition, what do you think? And then when you get that guidance, it is directly responding to you. So trust what you know, take action on it. And like I said, even if you think it doesn't make sense, you'll know why later. It has the ability to bypass, to go beyond even intellectual understanding. Your gut has 5 million cells in it, right? So its intelligence is higher than just the mind, right? So that's why we use it. We use it in business, we use it in relationships and day-to-day life for our health, for everything. So keep tuned in, listen to your simple yes or no, stay open to what's coming through as clairaudience and clairvoyance, what you're seeing. And if you have questions, you want to continue to learn how to develop that, of course, myself and our team are more than happy to help you out. You can book an intro call with us and also join our intuitive membership at lifeforceconnection.com. And you'll see just a wide variety of other things we offer too. Maybe it's just a one-on-one session. But what I really recommend if you're wanting to deeply develop your intuition is the membership, because it's just a day-to-day way of being, right? Where you're just like, yeah, I got this. I'm tuned into my intuition. I can trust myself on my decisions, and I'm going to move forward with great love. So we look forward to connecting with you more. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Bye for now.